Okay, so in this session we will discuss about if you have JSON array or object. If you have JSON array as a parameter to the procedure, and how do we handle it and how do we insert that JSON array into the table. Okay, so first of all, JSON array means it is here. Array means this is square brackets object. In this array, this is one of the object. This is another object. This is another object. Here I am taking employee number 123, comma e-name, Surya, salary, okay. So this is the key names in this first object. Okay, I'm going to copy this in all the objects and changing the values. So here we call it as key names, and these are the values. Okay, and click on this validate JSON. Here you will get valid or not. So it is valid JSON. Okay, then only you can give this one to the procedure as a parameter. Okay, create one procedure JSON. Underscore JSON. Here select from JSON table underscore JSON, comma, this one is the input parameter. Dollar columns EMP number. Here, yeah, EMP number is integer path dot EMP number. It is first one employee number, it is integer. Second employee name, it is alphanumeric, so that it is better to give varchar of 50. Varchar of 50. And here name is ename. So this one also you have to give ename. And here salary, this one is integer sal. Yes. And you can give alias name like this. And here these are the key names which exist in JSON array. Okay. These are the alias names which you have given the names for key names. Okay. And here just write star and apply. Call JSON. So this is the keyword. So we should not give the keyword as a database object. Get underscore JSON. Get underscore JSON. I'm going to give entire JSON to this procedure. See this. So you are going to get this JSON format into the data set. Okay. From this you can insert into one table also. Like before going to insert into one table, you need to create one table. So create table emp 200 and emp number integer comma ename varchar of 50 salary integer. So one table is created and here you can write insert into emp 200. So employee number, ename, salary, and so again insert, again calling that procedure. See these 3 rows affected, then go to the table so the data is available. Okay, but here assume one kind of situation where you need to insert this JSON object in multiple tables. Okay, like this kind of table, 300, 400, 500. You need to insert 4 tables, 200, 300, 400, 500. Okay, so how do you do that? Is this correct way to do this? You need to write 4 insert queries, okay, and you need to write 4 times for this query, okay, but it is not recommended. Why? Because you are taking JSON parameter and then you are converting that parameters into the data set here for 4 times, okay, so it causes some performance issues, okay. So in order to do this, we can write one simple query. That means once you get this JSON object into the data set, you can insert that entire data set into the temporary table and you can get the data from temporary table for 4 times. That is enough. Okay. See this. How many lines of code you have? 37. Okay. So I am going to do like this. After this, drop temporary table if exist. Create temporary table temp and select or from same query you can write for 4 times. Four, five. So click on apply button and here and before going to execute the procedure, you just truncate the tables. I think this query will not work. Sorry. Okay, I'm going to truncate this entire tables. 200, 300, 400, 500. So here see, sorry, I have executed this call statement for 2 times. That's why we are getting 2 times. See this. Okay. So here, how many lines of code we are having? 24 lines only. Earlier, 37. Okay. So this is the way to optimize the code and to handle the performance issues. Okay. Instead of writing this select query for 4 times, I am writing only 1 time, and I am moving that entire JSON data into the temp table. I am calling the temp table wherever it is required. Okay. So in this, you can suppose, again, I am going to truncate this. You can put the validations also, like in employee 500 table, if the salary is greater than 40,000, then only we have to insert the data into the employee 500 table. Okay. And what to do? Their salary is greater than 40,000. See this. Okay. So like that, you can use the conditions. So this is the how to handle the JSON object as a parameter to the procedure. Okay.